friends, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'll show you how to make prawn biryani in a quick way in a pressure cooker. Let's get started. Heat a pressure cooker and add 1 tablespoon of oil. To this add 1 teaspoon of ghee. When it is hot, add 2 bay leaves, a small cinnamon stick, 1 star anise, 3 cloves, 3 cardamom, little bit of black stone flour and 1/4 teaspoon of fennel seeds. Roast them well. And then I'm going to add 2 slit green chilies, fry them for a while, and then 1 sliced onion. Saute the onion well. At this stage, add 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. Saute till the raw smell of ginger garlic paste goes off. And then add 1 chopped tomato. Cook till the tomatoes become soft. At this stage, I'm going to add a little bit of salt so that tomatoes get cooked faster. Now time to add the spice powder. 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder and 1 teaspoon of coriander powder. Give it a mix and let it cook till the raw smell of the spices goes off. Add 1/2 cup of chopped mint and coriander leaves. Mix it well and let it cook for a minute. Now time to add the prawns. I've cleaned 150 grams of prawns and I'm adding it now. You can also use fresh prawns. You have to mix it along with the masala and let it cook for a couple of minutes. Now I'm going to add a tablespoon of yogurt. Give it a mix and let it cook for about a minute. So time to add the rice. I have soaked 1 cup of basmati rice in water for 15 minutes. I've drained the water and I'm going to add the rice now. After adding the rice, gently mix it well and let it remain as it is for 1 minute. Now I'm going to add salt to taste. Make sure you add little less salt because we have added a little bit of salt while sauteing tomato. After adding salt, give it a mix and I'm going to add around 1.5 cups of water. For 1 cup of rice, you need to add 1.5 cup to 2 cups of water based on the quality of rice. So today I've added 1.5 cups of water. Give it a mix and let it come to boil. Once it starts to boiling, I'm going to add 1/2 lemon juice. Mix it well and then put on the lid, and once the steam is out, put on the weight, reduce the heat to the lowest possible and cook it for 6 minutes. That will be the perfect time for cooking it. It's been 6 minutes now. Let's open and have a look. See how nice and the grains are separate and it doesn't stick to the bottom as well. So adding the right quantity of water and cooking it for the correct amount of time is the key for getting a perfect biryani. That's all. Such a super easy and very tasty pressure cooker prawn biryani is now ready. Do try this recipe at home and share your feedback. If you like this video and if you wish to watch more such interesting recipes, do subscribe to this channel. Thanks for watching.